we need to write these fractions as percentages. So first, we have 7/10. Now remember, a percentage is a fraction with a denominator of 100, so we need to find a fraction equivalent to 7/10, which has a denominator of 100. We can use multiplication to find equivalent fractions. So 10 times 10 is 100, and when we're finding equivalent fractions, what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator as well. 7 times 10 is 70, so because 7/10 is equivalent to 70 hundredths, that's the same as 70%. Notice it's not 70 over 100%, because the percentage sign already tells us that it means over 100, that it's out of 100. Now we have 3/4. 4 times 25 is 100, and what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator. 3 times 25 is 75, so that's 75%. And now we have 17 over 25. 25 times 4 is 100, so to find our percentage, we need to multiply 17 by 4. We can use short multiplication for this. 7 times 4 is 28, so 2, 8. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 is 6, so 17 25ths is equivalent to 68 hundredths, so that's 68%. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.